Hello everyone, my full name is Nguyễn and I'm the presenter today. And in this today's lessons, I'm going to share with you and summarize with you about the two terms in English which are very common today. They are metaphor and similes. And what is true actual meaning of the metaphor and similes? Let's find out. First, we'll go to the definition of the similes. The simile means basically the comparison between two objects or people in direct or explicit way. And it can be recognized easily as using the function word like or as. And I'm going to take an example to illustrate my points. Usain Bolt sprint faster like the velocity of light to get the Olympic medals. Basically, in fact, Usain Bolt is the Jamaican runners who get the Olympic gold medal in the 2016. And the velocity of light is very fast. In fact, the speed of light is nearly 300 million meters per second, and the whole sentence means that no one can break the record that Usain Bolt made in the Olympics. This is the image of Usain Bolt who won the medals in the 2016 at the Olympics. Now let's move on to the metaphors. First, we simply look at the definition of this. The metaphor is simply an expression to describe people or objects that have the similar personality or characteristics. It contrasts with the simile, it has no function word at all, and you cannot search any word or the image on the internet, and you have to refer from the context of the sentence. And of course, it is indirect way or implicit. Yeah, and you have to get the actual meaning that the speaker or the writer mean actually. So now I'm going to take an example of the metaphors. He doesn't do any chore at home, just eat and sleep all the time. He's truly a cold potato. It's a cold potato is common instrument in the Western people. It's a commonly used in UK, United States, and some English-speaking countries. As you can see from the image here, is a potato who was sitting on the sofa or the couch like this. Beside is the remote control of television. They describe a lazy person or the person who is sitting on the chair or lay on the chair watching TV or surfing on the internet all the time, and they do nothing at all in the house. They just sit there and waiting for someone to serve them. Yeah. It is very common cultural in the Westerner, and also I see some in the Vietnam too. This is the kind of person who doesn't do anything in summary like this. Yeah, you can understand that a cow potato, that a lazy, very lazy person, and he don't want anything at all. This is the end of my presentation. Do you have any question? And thanks for your attention. That's the last of my presentation. Thank you.